And then you gotta do the other one.
Today is October the 11th. Monday, October 11th, 2021.
And
it is
popping 2 bottles.
Thanksgiving, and Michael's popping the cork.
And then the damn popping the cork. They have to say damn popping the cork too.
So what flavor is it?
Pear apple.
Wow.
And Daniel has
Not showing yet. Maybe continue for me.
puppy here.
How about we stick the puppy in the chandelier and try to shoot him out?
Okay. I'm gonna try and get it through that loop. So I'm gonna do it like that.
And while Michael's doing that, we'll go over here. And there is an Oliver there. Oliver! 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 That's Oliver.
Oh. Hey.
Oh, we just missed it.
Scared the poop
That was very successful.
Oh
And,
my gosh, I
To
just
be
started.
continued.
And there's Daniel. And let's see what Daniel does now.
Oh, that popped. When I tried to open it, it just did. And I didn't even pop it yet. I didn't even do this. It just popped straight away.
Doesn't probably shake your last.
Let me put the cap
I
back
can do
on.
that.
So it's supposed to be like this.
And we. Oh, you just do that.
So Oliver been with us 1 week and 1 day.
Yeah, so
Can I
8
drink it
days.
like this?
Today's 8 days.
Michael, what's 7 plus 1?
Someone by my feet.
That's 4.
Then pick up all of it.
7 plus 1 equals 4?
No.
I will need these.
What does 7 plus 1 equal?
I'm gonna shoot it to
equal.
the chandelier. I know.
Straight up.
Okay, straight up at the chandelier.
Okay. Do it. Come on, Daniel. What?
Go like this. Show me how your teeth are coming in.
Well,
I'll lift your head up
nice.
higher. Like that. Yeah. So Daniel's teeth are finally coming in after more than a year.
I'll take it. Hey, look at that.
There. Pump ball.
Michael,
Yeah.
you should move.
Ping pong ball.
Daniel, hold it straight.
Don't pop it out.
And this one. Tight.
Very probably hold the bottle.
No.
Now you
Almost got
push it really hard.
It's organic, whatever it is.
It has to be.
It's organic
You
juice.
you come to
Let's
this.
go.
Ooh! Oliver got scared. Oh, my love.
I almost had a heart attack. I almost had a heart attack.
Okay, Daniel, go change your diaper now.
Let me do the break.
Okay, Michael, say grace. Say grace.
Say
grace,
Oliver.
love.
I'm so scared. I even
Okay.
cooked my pants.
Okay, Michael's gonna
Now
say
you have
grace.
to do the prayer for Oliver.
Okay.
On le Père et le Fils et le Saint-Esprit. Amen. Je vous salue Marie, pleine de grâce. Le Seigneur est avec vous. Vous êtes bénie entre tous les femmes et Jésus, votre beau entrailles, est béni. Sainte Marie, pleine de Dieu, priez notre péché, l'éternellement à l'entendement. Amen.
Daniel, it's hot.
Amen.
Don't put his dirty feet on the table. Okay, say it again. I missed it. Michael, start again. You guys gonna have to wash your hands. Okay, say grace again, Dad and Michael. I missed it.
I am not saying that again.
I missed it though. Please.
Okay.
On le Père et le Fils et le
Daniel,
Saint-Esprit. Amen. Je vous salue Marie, pleine de grâce, le Seigneur est avec vous. Vous êtes bénie entre tous les Seigneur.
Hey.
Moja Valeria.
I
that it?
Thank you so much. Moja ptaszka.
Okay, amen.
Amen.
Okay, let's eat some chicken.
Okay, maybe you want to wash